Morning guys, another day, another rain. Yes, so here in Sweden, if you live here or if you're from Sweden, you know that every day the weather here is unpredictable. So yeah, so your best friend here is your jacket should be waterproof, your boots should be waterproof, and for us, we don't have a car here, so we have this Thole wagon, or yeah, Thole pusher or wagon. Yeah, they call it wagon. You can connect it with your bike. This is not an ad, but yeah, this is very helpful for us. So I just dropped my son in the childcare, and now I'm on my way to get some grocery. And also, there's a saying here in Sweden: there's no bad weather, only bad clothing. So yes, life must go on here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.